Investments in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.
Making sense of the FII selling. What the FIIs do definitely has a long-term bearing on our markets. Many believe that the role of the FIIs in determining the direction of the Indian markets is long done and dusted. This confidence comes from the massive growth in domestic participation in Indian equities. The SIP book is close to 16,000 crores. All this makes people think that you don't need the FIIs anymore and domestic investors are capable of, stabilizing the market if there is a crisis. But that's not true. What global investors do in India has more bearing than the monetary value of their actions. For example, FIIs might have sold Indian equity for only 15,000 crores in recent days. But the impact on sentiment is far wider. The market, which went as far as 20,500, has clearly lost 1,000 points in the bargain. This selling principally has the capacity to take the market lower if it continues. At the moment, it's difficult to say if the FIIs will accelerate their selling further. But it's not difficult to judge if their intention to sell is going to continue. It looks like that. So if the FIIs continue to sell, that will have a bearing on the sentiment, especially at the headline index level. So you will see the markets soften significantly from where they are today. Importantly, financials, which constitute a significant part of the index, are not showing strength at all. So every rally in financials is getting sold into. Under these circumstances, if FIIs sell in defensives like FMCG stocks or tech stocks, then the downward pressure on the index is bound to increase further. We are in the middle of a result season. In fact, first result is yet to be out and will probably come next week. Once you have early results establishing a clear trend on corporate earnings for the second quarter, the FIIs may further accelerate their selling in India. It remains to be seen whether selling can go to a much higher plane or a higher scale. But it's highly unlikely that the FIIs will reverse their selling in a hurry and turn buyers as they did a few months ago. I don't expect that to happen anytime soon because you are heading into a phase where there are going to be state polls and then you will have the general election. During such phases, the FIIs take their own time to decide on their stance connecting India, and they would wait to see a clearer trend in politics before they take a view on the markets. Clearly, we are heading for a phase where FII selling pressure is going to assert itself and determine the mood of the broader market. Thank you for watching this video.